Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to fix your OBS sound when it's crackling. So my sound was crackling whenever I did the recording. So the first thing you want to do or check is your cables. So you can swap out your cable, see if that fixes the problem. I'm using a USB cable, so just make sure they're nice and tight. You can change the USB port, see if that fixes it. If that doesn't fix it, just get a new cable. And then the other thing you can do in OBS is you can come to your mic, and mine wasn't full, so just bring it back a bit. The sound that doesn't fix it. You can also just recreate all your sources, just delete them all, and then recreate them again, and that might fix the problem. But yeah, the cable fixed it for me. Cool.